Jay, do you like your new chair? Tinkerbell. Jay got a new chair. It's Tinkerbell chair and Elmo toy. This is a beautiful chair for Jay. Why is it so blurry? Jay, do you want to drink water? Jay's thirsty.
I love her chair.
Yay. Jade, who's on TV? Bert? Jade, sit down in your chair. Can you sit down? Jade, sit down. Sit down. Yay! Jade, say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas? How you say Merry Christmas?
Whoa, big hamburger.
Really?